So you're thinking about moving right here to the Woodlands, Texas, but you know you want that new construction home. You don't want a resale home, and you want to live in a master planned community. Well, sit right there, because in today's video, we're in Harpers Preserve, and Harpers Preserve is a master planned community located right across the street from the Woodlands, and it has a ton to offer. It's got everything you could think of that you'd possibly want in a master planned community, from pools to splash pads to hike and bike trails, ponds, lakes, you name it, Harpers Preserve has it in a fantastic location. And as always, in today's video, we're gonna cover everything. We're gonna talk to you about the amenities, the location, we're gonna touch on the schools, and then as always, we're gonna go on a home tour. And we're gonna show you what you can get for your money at every single price point right here in Harpers Preserve. So let's get after it right now. So we're here at Crust Pizza at the front of the neighborhood, and this is part of the commercial shopping center that's located at the entrance to Harpers Preserve. And I wanted to sit down here and give you really the quick overview of the neighborhood and highlight the location before we dive in and actually tour the neighborhood. And so as far as Harpers Preserve goes, the overview is that when it's all said and done, there's going to be 2,100, give or take, houses in the community. So it's a good size master plan community, and it is located as close to the Woodlands as you could possibly get. The location here is going to be fantastic. You're right on 242 and I-45. You're going to be on the east side of the freeway, and this is going to put you in prime location for convenient access to the freeway, as well as the 4 major hospitals that are right here in the Woodlands. And so we get a lot of medical professionals. We see them moving over here because of the quick access to the hospitals. Now, as far as the neighborhood goes, they have a couple unique features that I think you need to know about that are going to be different than any of the other master plans. One of those is that they actually maintain your front lawn for you. Yeah, you heard me right. They do it for you. They do the work. Now, obviously, you have to pay for that. It's part of the HOA dues. But what that's going to do is it's going to bring a more cohesive, clean look to the entire neighborhood. You don't have to deal with it yourself. You can just sit back, relax, and that's one less thing to worry about. And then another thing that's really unique about Harpers is that it is fully gated. It's the only master plan community currently under development here in the Houston area that's completely gated. And so right now, while they're in development phase, they still leave those gates open. But once the last home is built and they're completely done with development out here, those gates are going to close up, and part of your HOA is going to include that security. So if that's a big deal to you, this is really one of your only options. And so this is also going to be the closest new construction to the Woodlands. So a lot of clients call us and they want new construction in the Woodlands, and that's just not an opportunity anymore. And so if you want to be as close to the Woodlands as possible, this is going to be your best bet. So it's got a fantastic location. Those are some unique tips on it. And you've got also a lot of really great commercial space up at the front of the neighborhood. So you're gonna have your HEB. You really don't have to leave the neighborhood to go grocery shopping. You can just walk on up here. They've got a liquor store, nail salons, hair salons, you name it. It's right here. And the development down 242 is just gonna keep growing. And so over time, I can already guarantee what you're gonna see is that 242 continues to get more and more commercial development. You were already seeing it now. And so now that we've covered all those amenities, let's go check out the amenities in the neighborhood. So the amenities here are going to be top notch. We're up here at one of their 2 rec centers, and up at the rec centers, those are really going to be the hubs of the community amenities. Obviously, we're right here. You can see we're at one of the playgrounds. They're going to have playgrounds up at the rec centers, and then they're also going to have pocket playgrounds located throughout the neighborhood. So it's going to give you variety, give you tons of options. But as you can see, one thing that I like about the playgrounds here that I don't see in all of the master plan communities is that they actually have different play sets for different age children. So they've got one for the little kids, and then they've got one for the bigger kids, which is really, really helpful. They also have this really cool zip line thing that isn't in most of the other communities. And then one other thing that I like to point out is they actually have 2 community pools, one at both rec centers. And when you live out here, you actually have access to either rec center. And so you can mix it up. You might gravitate towards one or the other. And then this pool behind me right here not only has one pool, but it also has an 18 and up adults pool. So if you don't have kids and you're not trying to get splashed, that's going to be your best option. They also have a splash pad, and that is hands down one of the highlights of any master plan community. The kids love it. If you're not familiar with it, it's got the pop jet fountains that the kids can run around on. So if your kids are wanting to swim, but you don't want to get in the pool, it's that perfect happy medium. They also have the pool barn up here, and the pool barn is a really cool place where they put on plenty of community events throughout the years. It's a big metal building with sliding garage doors that they can open up. They have a concession stand, and they actually even have a sign that says food truck parking. And so they're very active whenever it comes to community events out here. That's one of the things that I love about all these master plan communities here in the Houston area, is that they don't just give you good amenities, but they also intentionally facilitate that community. And so they do have a lifestyle director that's planning events throughout the year, so you can just hop online, check out the events calendar, sign up, and go and check out some of these events and meet your neighbors. Some other really cool amenities out here are really going to be the nature component of things. There's plenty of hike and bike trails throughout the neighborhood. This is actually one of the few master plan communities that you'll see that actually has sidewalks in your front yard. So right whenever you walk out the door, you're immediately on a sidewalk. You don't have to walk down the street, which can be a little dangerous. You can just hop on your sidewalk and get anywhere you want in the neighborhood. It's also called Harpers Preserve because it's backs up to Harpers Preserve. And so there is a nature preserve. In fact, right here at this amenity center, we back up to it. And so it's going to be untouched. And so they kind of connected that nature with the development right here in Harpers Preserve. They're going to have lakes for fishing. And so it really is a fun, safe community for the family that's got tons of amenities. So when it comes to schools right here in Harpers Preserve, it doesn't get more convenient than this. We are right in front of the brand new elementary school right here in East Village. And quite literally, we tried to film this about 30 minutes ago and we couldn't. There were kids everywhere. All the parents had walked up here. They had their golf carts or their vehicles, and they were picking their kids up from school. And so if you do have elementary age kids, or you're going to, this is a great resource to have right here in the neighborhood. And I might also mention that these are all part of Conroe ISD. And so eventually these schools are going to feed up into Oak Ridge High School, which we highly recommend you do your school research on all the different school ratings. This school is so new that I don't even think it has school ratings yet. But eventually, once it feeds into Oak Ridge High School, I looked up, niche.com shows that it is an A-rated high school. And so anyways, when it comes to education, it's right here in the neighborhood and it's fantastic. If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living right here in Houston, Texas, then subscribe to our channel and tap that bell for notifications. That way we can keep you up to date on everything going on right here in Houston. My name's Kyler Ferris. I'm the broker owner of Ferris Realty, and we get calls, texts, emails every single day from people just like you that are looking to make that move right here to the Houston area. So if that's you, don't be shy. Like we always say, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us a quick email. That way we can help you make a smooth move right here to Houston, Texas. So before we start our home tour, I want to give you an overview of all of your different building options. So in any master plan community, you're going to have different sized lots and different sized homes. And so in these master plan communities, typically the smallest lot you're going to see is about 40 feet wide. And on the larger side, you're going to see 80 feet wide. And that is the case right here in Harpers. They have lots ranging from 40 feet up to 80 feet. And what that means is if you have an 80-foot lot, it means that you can build a 70-foot home on that lot. There's always going to be a 5-foot build line on both sides of the home. And so once you get up into those 80-foot lots, that's where you're really going to get your $1 million plus homes. And so there's a good price range variety here in Harpers. You're going to get right in the low 400s all the way up to 1.8 maybe. And so it's a pretty healthy range. You've got plenty of options here. Square footages are going to range anywhere from maybe 1,600 square feet all the way up to 6,500 square feet. And now the tax rate here is going to be 3.1. Now there is a small section of the neighborhood with a lower tax rate, but for the sake of appealing to most people, it's 3.1. And then you're going to have an additional assessment out here of $174 per quarter, and that's going to cover all of your lawn maintenance. And then your HOA dues are going to be just over $1,100. So now that that explains kind of the overview of your different building options out here, let's go check out our first house. So the first stop on our home tour today is going to be one of the smaller products offered here. This is going to be your entry-level product, and it is sitting on a 40-foot lot. We are in the Meritage model home, but just because it's small doesn't mean it's not well appointed. Right whenever you walk in this home, you're going to notice some more modern finishes. We've got these nice wood look luxury vinyl plank floors that are extremely durable and offer a really neutral color palette for you to go with a little bit more modern decorations, modern designs. You're going to have this open concept living area, and so even though the square footage isn't massive on the home, the main living area still feels very open. The kitchen flows nicely with the formal dining and then the living room. And they're going to build square footages starting on the small side around 1,400 square feet for their 3-bedroom products, And in the 40-foot lots, they're going to go all the way up to about 2,200 square feet. But the price tag starts right at $330,000, which is extremely affordable, especially to be in a master plan community this close to the Woodlands. And then their larger products in the 40 foots, around 2,200 square feet, are going to run right around $400,000. And so it's a very approachable budget for a really well-appointed home. So for the next stop on our tour, we are in the 60-foot Perry model home. And this home is going to start to open up a lot more compared to that 40-foot product. Once you get into these 60-foot products, they're able to do a little bit more with the floor plan configurations. And when it comes to floor plan configurations, Perry has more than anyone. They're actually known for their one-stories. They do build two-story products, but most of the homes they're going to build in any of the communities they build in are going to be these one-stories. And they're really well thought out. They've got so many different floor plans that you really can customize these homes and make them really special. In this model home, it's a one-story, and you've got this nice tile look or wood look tile that is a nice touch, and it's got a really open concept. It's got the open kitchen that flows into the living space with an informal dining room, and then it's going to have a media room too, which I think is nice when you get into these larger one-stories to have that secondary living space. This model is going to be 4 bedrooms. And Perry is going to build from about 2,800 square feet all the way up to about 3,800 square feet in this 60-foot product line. Now, I do have to tell you, as it stands when we're filming this video, they only have 5 homes left for sale in their section. And so I wanted to film this home for you to show you it does exist out here. But as time goes on, you might have to opt for a resale home if you are going to be looking here in Harpers Preserve. So last but not least on our home tour, we are in the Drees Custom Homes model home. This is going to be a 75-foot product. They're going to actually build on 75 and 80-foot lots, and these are going to be the largest, most custom products out here. They're actually, their smallest floor plan is right around 3,200 square feet, which is quite a large home, and they're going to go all the way up to over 6,000 square feet. And they're going to have a really wide price range as well because of the square footage differences and all the amazing upgrades and custom work that they can do in their homes. They're going to start right around $750,000 and work their way all the way up to about $1.6 million. But with those price tags, you get what you pay for. Whenever you walk in this home, you're going to notice the highest end finishes throughout the neighborhood. You're going to have real wood floors in this model, and you're going to get all of the nice details. You're going to get the brick from the exterior coming to the interior. You see it here on the fireplace, as well as over in the study. Yes, this home comes with its own in-home study. The model's about 4,000 square feet. It's a 4-bed, 4.5 bath home with extra bonus spaces. So you're going to have that upstairs game room for the kids, as well as the media room, kids' bedrooms upstairs, and then downstairs in the main living area, you're going to have cathedral ceilings with these nice wood beams, and then you're going to have probably my favorite part, which are going to be these massive 3-piece sliders that open up the outdoor fireplace and outdoor kitchen into the living room. So on a gorgeous day like today, you can leave them open and really live that indoor-outdoor lifestyle. So hands down, this is the nicest builder out here in Harpers Preserve. So my final thoughts on Harpers Preserve are this. If you're looking for new construction, you have to have it, but you want to be right in the mix, right next to the Woodlands, with tons of convenient amenities both in the neighborhood as well as the commercial ones right up at the front, with convenient walking access over to the elementary schools, which are actually zoned to the A-rated schools, then I would highly recommend looking at Harpers Preserve. It's got a lot of nice touches that I actually don't see in some of those other master plan communities, like it being fully gated for security reasons, as well as these front sidewalks right here that make it nice and safe to walk the kids around the neighborhood. So for all those reasons, if you are interested in Harpers Preserve and you think it would be the right fit for you and your family, like we always say, don't be shy. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us a quick email. That way we can help you make a smooth move right here to Houston, Texas. Thanks for watching. Now go check out some of our other videos.